I'm Tasin from All New Features with Science. Today I give you a unboxing video about Oppo f17. Oppo launched this phone September 2020. This phone has two variants, 6GB 128GB and 8GB 128GB. I bought 8GB 128GB. Oppo used a Snapdragon 662 processor on this phone. This phone has three colors: dynamic orange, navy blue and silver. I prefer dynamic orange. It looks so beautiful. Oppo gives some documentation. If you want to read, please kindly read these documents. Oppo give a soft case with this phone. This phone has 30-watt fast boost charger. Oppo also give headphones with this phone. Now we focus our phone. This phone now running on Android 10 and color is 7.2. This phone has 60Hz refresh rate. Oppo use in-display fingerprint on this phone. Oppo used front camera 16 megapixel and used rear main primary camera 16 megapixel and 8 megapixel ultra wide lens and 2 megapixel wide lens and 2 megapixel macro lens. Phone performance is overall good. Camera quality is also good but not best. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel and stay with me.